Hi everybody, I am Dr. Said Usman, consultant neurologist at Care Hospital, High Tech City. Today I will be discussing about the stroke, that is paralysis. Most of the people they ask whether stroke is a dangerous or is serious problem or not. So we should know about the facts about the stroke. So stroke is the second most leading cause of death all over world, and it is the leading cause of disability among adults. And 80% of the stroke can be preventable by modifying the risk factors, and stroke can occur in all ages. Above 55 years of age, with every decade the risk of stroke doubles. We should know about these facts about the stroke. And what exactly is a stroke? So stroke is a sudden damage to the brain which occurs because of the lack of blood supply to the brain. It can be because of the clot blocking the blood vessel of the brain, or because of the rupture of the blood vessel of the brain. So what are the different types of stroke? Basically there are two types of stroke. One is a ischemic stroke that occurs because of blockage of the blood vessel of the brain, and it constitutes majority, that is 87% of the stroke. And less common type of stroke is because of hemorrhage, that is brain hemorrhage. It is because of the rupture of the blood vessel in the brain, but it is more deadly compared to the ischemic stroke. Why we need to rush to hospital once we come to know that the patient is suffering from a brain stroke? Because we have to know that every second 32,000 brain cells die, and every minute 1.9 million brain cells die. And with wastage of time, there is a wastage of the brain cells. So once we recognize the patient is suffering from brain stroke, we have to rush immediately to hospital and call ambulance, because every minute matters. How to recognize the symptoms of brain stroke? Because we know that many patients they come late to the hospital because they fail to recognize the brain stroke. So the common symptoms of brain stroke are sudden numbness of the face, or weakness of face, or numbness or weakness of hand or leg on one side specifically, or difficulty in speaking, slurring of speech, or inability to tell the appropriate words, or difficulty in understanding speech, sudden loss of vision in one or both the eyes, difficulty in walking, imbalance, incoordination, and sudden onset of dizziness. These are all symptoms of brain stroke. So once we recognize these brain stroke symptoms, we have to spot the brain signs also. So we can spot the brain signs by just simple test, which is known as FAST test. So we have to ask the person to just smile. If both sides of the face it moves equally, then it is normal. If one half of the face does not move, so it indicates the patient is suffering from the stroke. And then we have to ask the lift both the arms up, and see whether one arm is drooping downwards compared to the other arm, which is abnormal. And then we have to ask the person to speak a simple sentence. If he is able to speak with slurring of speech, or tells inappropriate words, or has difficulty in speaking, any of this sign indicates that the patient is suffering from the brain stroke, then we have to rush immediately to the hospital, which provides good stroke care, so the patient can have fast and good recovery. So how do we treat a stroke? So when the person comes within 4.5 hours of the stroke symptom onset, we give a clot buster, that is a special medicine which is known as thrombolysis, which helps in dissolving the clot in the blood vessels of the brain. This helps in fast recovery and maximum recovery. If the patient comes late to the hospital and one of the major vessels of the brain is blocked by the clot, in the selected cases, we can remove the clot from the major vessels of the brain, which is done by interventional neuroradiologist in the selected centers, so that the patient can have good improvement. So finally, I want to conclude by saying that recognition of stroke is very important, and we have to shift the patient as quickly to the hospital as possible, so that the patient can have good recovery and has minimum disability. Thank you.